Hey guys, just a short video here. So I have the fan replacement for the T300RS, and a lot of people are saying that you actually have to solder the 3-pin to a 2-pin adapter, but you can just use the stock 3-pin, and you just want to use the two wires on the right, so the red one and the black one. Of course the yellow one won't get pinned in, so just make sure that these two lines are facing towards the outside, and you'll be good to go. So as you can see here, I've put the pin on and I'm using the two right side connectors, and yeah, it works fine. I tested it out and I will show you that in a second here. So now I'm just going to plug it in and see if the fan works. So as you can see, the fan is working great, and there was no soldering or any modifications. Enjoy.